This is the Nescafe Classic. It's been around for a very long time, and the good thing about this is it's instant coffee, but you can also make coffee with cold water, which is great if you like an iced coffee. I'm going to show you how I'll do it. Very, very simple. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. And then just regular cold water to it, about half the cup, and then just gonna go ahead and stir. You can see it dissolves really quickly and clump free. Now what I like to do is go ahead and add some coconut milk. You can add sugar to it, erythritol, whatever you like. I like to add coconut milk, and for me it's an absolute treat. Tastes really amazing.